Hi, this is Dr. Michael Pan. I'm a hair transplant surgeon here at 𝘸𝗀 Mohebi Hair Restoration. I am letting you guys know about an event we're having in our Los Angeles office. We are hosting an open house. This would be a chance for you guys to come meet me. I can give you guys a free exam and take a look at your hair and discuss any goals and treatment options we would have for you. We will also be giving out some gift certificates and talking about some promotions. So feel free to stop by, and I look forward to meeting all of you.